You might want to print on the screen and maybe send somebody an email to notify them that the file we're trying to open doesn't exist. All right, this takes us into the next concept that we're going to look at, and this will be 903, which will be try and finally. All right, just like the way we saw a try, we can always have a try and a finally. For this one, I'm just gonna put the entire code on the screen here. Here we are reading from a file. Let me just format this correctly. All right, we've seen how to open a file for reading. Very straightforward. And then we're gonna print everything that we have in that file. Now, if there is an exception, all right, let's say we cannot read from that file. If there is an exception, then that could be a problem. And the way we solve that is simply print that message to the screen. And then maybe we want to go below and do something after that. Then we're doing it with the finally. So in the previous one, I just printed the confirmation at the screen and without necessarily doing finally. But what if you're starting to open the file and that file is open, you just cannot read the data? We might want to close that file that we just opened for reading. All right, so here you can take everything that you need to do cleanup in your finally statement. All right, so if I run this, it's very straightforward. It reads the file, all right, and then at the end it does whatever is in the finally statement. So very, very important concept to be aware of.